The wrong carpet shampoo leaves a sticky residue that attracts more dirt than before you cleaned, making your car dirtier. I ranked 7 options from Amazon by stain removal, residue, and dry time to find the one. Here's what I found. The first on the list is the P&S Professional Detail Products Carpet Bomb. This professional-grade formula is citrus-based and engineered to remove grease, dirt, food stains, and odors from car carpets in one application. The concentrate is highly dilutable, up to 8:1 for flexible usage on light or heavy. It works safely in engine bays and wheel wells beyond interior carpets for comprehensive. The gallon size provides extended use across multiple vehicles or deep cleaning sets. The professional concentration requires proper dilution to avoid residue buildup on fibers. However, for serious staining and professional-level results, this formula delivers. For detailers seeking professional performance, the Carpet Bomber is a capable. At number 2, we have the Chemical Guys Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean. The high foaming action penetrates deep into fiber to tackle stubborn stains and embedded grime on car carpets. Advanced foam dissolves dirt particles for easy extraction with vacuuming or machine. Citrus scent leaves interiors smelling fresh and rejuvenated after. The 16-ounce concentrate extends further when diluted properly for light maintenance cleaning. The foaming formula can overfoam if applied too heavily on low carpets. Still, proper application technique delivers professional detailing results on car interiors. For owners seeking fresh-smelling interiors, the Chemical Guys Foaming is a popular. At number 3, we have the 3D Upholstery and Carpet Shampoo. The high foam stain remover and odor eliminator formula penetrates deep fibers for comprehensive cleaning on car carpets and seats. The specialized 16-ounce bottle concentrates on automotive interior care without household dilution. Enzymatic odor elimination tackles lingering smells from pets, spills, and general use. Automotive-specific formulation addresses car interior materials. The high foam action requires proper water extraction or vacuum up after application. However, for dedicated car interior use, the formula chemistry aligns perfectly. For detailers seeking automotive-specific solutions, the 3D Shampoo is a focused. At number 4, we have the Bissell Professional Spot and Stain Plus Oxy. This professional formula tackles food, beverage, kitchen grease, and pet stains with oxygen-based cleaning action. Stain Protect technology prevents coffee spills from setting into fibers. The fresh scent neutralizes odors while removing stains in a single. Works with Bissell portable machines for spot treatment or entire carpet. This formula targets household carpets primarily and may overtreat light car interiors. Still, for portable machine users, this formula delivers professional restoration. For owners with Bissell extraction machine, the spot and stain is a machine-matched choice. At number 5, we have the Chemical Guys Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean Shampoo. This 2-pack bundle provides extended supply for regular carpet maintenance across multiple vehicles or repeated deep. The formula combines enzymatic odor elimination, superior degreasing for comprehensive stain and smell removal. Biodegradable chemistry breaks down stubborn stains safely on car fabrics without harsh residue. The 2-bottle set supports long-term maintenance cleaning schedule. For the 16-ounce bottles require more frequent purchasing than larger concentrates. However, the convenience of pre-packaged sets reduces shopping and storage. For buyers preferring convenient sizing, the 2-pack is an economical. At number 6, we have the ZEP All-Purpose Carpet Shampoo Concentrate Cleaner. The 1-gallon professional concentrate handles dirt and stain removal on carpets in commercial and automotive application. Extended coverage through dilution makes this economical for regular cleaning schedules. Industrial-strength chemistry tackles heavy soiling that household formulas struggle with. The large concentrate bottle provides months of supplies for active detail. General-purpose formulation lacks automotive-specific engineering for heat and interior. Still, the professional strength and value cannot be overlooked for budget-conscious operators. For high-volume detailing shops, the ZEP concentrate is an economical choice. The last one on our list is the Chemical Guys Sprayable Citrus Fabric Clean with Brush Kit. This sprayable formula comes bundled with the included Indur 07 heavy-duty brush for hands-free cleaning and agitation. The spray application eliminates measuring and dilution confusion for casual use. The interior brush applicator helps work cleaner into fibers for maximum stain extraction. The convenient kit format provides everything needed in one purchase. The sprayable concentrate is less economical for high-volume use compared to full concentrate. However, for single vehicle owners wanting a complete cleaning solution, this bundled approach. For convenient all-in-one interior cleaning, the Chemical Guys bundle is a practical choice. That is everything you need to know about restoring your car's interior carpets and keeping them fresh. Subscribe for more detailing.